Homophones are words that sound alike but are spelled differently and have different meanings. So let's look at some examples. Your spelling list this week were all homophones. The word hole, okay? Hole, spelled H-O-L-E, is a hole like there was a hole in the ground. Whole, spelled W-H-O-L-E, is whole as in the whole part. I ate the whole pie. So as you can see, these two words sound the same when you read them, but they have different meanings and have different spellings. So that's why these two words are homophones. Pause for a moment and complete this page in your book. Here and here. Notice the words have different spellings and they're going to have different meanings. Here, spelled H-E-A-R. I hear the siren blowing. So that's here as in hearing things. Here, spelled H-E-R-E, is here as in a location. Texas is here on the map. So again, these two words are homophones. They sound exactly the same, but they're spelled different and have a different meaning. So pause and complete this page in your book. One and one. One, spelled W-O-N, is one as in the team won the game. One, spelled O-N-E, is one as in the number. There was only one cookie left. These words are homophones. They sound the same, but they are spelled differently and have different meanings. Pause and complete this word in your book. Hour and hour. Hour, spelled H-O-U-R, is talking about the time. In an hour, we will go to lunch. Hour, spelled O-U-R, is talking about ownership of a group of people. Our school is I.C. Evans. These words are homophones. They sound the same, but are spelled differently and have different meaning. So pause and do this page in your book. There and there. T-H-E-I-R is there as in the children decided to get off their bikes to enter the park. So there in this case is talking about ownership. Whose bikes? Their bikes. So if you're talking about ownership of something, it's T-H-E-I-R. Whereas there, T-H-E-R-E, is talking about a different situation. There are two children cycling towards the park. So if you're using there in that manner, you need to spell it T-H-E-R-E. Again, these are homophones. Pause and complete this page in your book. Fir and fir. Fir, spelled F-I-R, is talking about a kind of tree. In the picture here, this is a fir tree. We saw a fir tree in the woods. Fur, spelled F-U-R, is talking about the hairy covering of different animals. The bear has brown fur. Pause and complete this page in your book. Road and road. The road was narrow. Road, spelled R-O-A-D, is talking about the road, like the path we drive on. There was a road, or the road was narrow. Road, spelled R-O-D-E, has a different meaning. We're talking about riding on something in this manner. The man rode the horse. So again, the words sound exactly the same, road and road. But they have a different meaning and are spelled differently. We call these two words homophones. Pause and complete this page in your book. It's and its. Okay? The main difference here is the punctuation in this word. We have an apostrophe in this word. No apostrophe in this one. So it's, spelled I-T apostrophe S, is a contraction. Okay? It's with the apostrophe really means it is. Okay? So in this case, I-T apostrophe S, the meaning here is it is. So it's really hot outside. Again, the contraction it's is meaning it is. Whereas it's, spelled I-T-S with no apostrophe, okay, the dog found its bone. So again, these two words are homophones. So I want you to pause and complete this page in your book. Okay, so you guys should now know how to use each of these words correctly in a sentence. You know that each word has a different meaning, even though they sound exactly the same. We have to know which word is used in which meaning for today's test. So as we take our spelling test today, make sure you understand that homophones sound exactly the same, but they have a different meaning for each of the different spellings.